Hey guys, it's your girl Nicola and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested to see how I achieved this headband look, please stay tuned and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome content like this. So what you want to do to start off your wig making process is get a marker to draw lines. It's called guidelines actually. So I am making guidelines for whenever I start to sew the hair. I would have even layers. This is not a necessary step because if you know how to sew hair and get it all even, you do not need the guidelines, but the guideline helps me and it makes me go a lot faster. So this is what it looks like once it's finished. And the hair I'll be using is a hair I got from my local beauty supply store. It said it was Brazilian and it was 100% unprocessed, which means I could bleach this in the future if I want to. And I wanted something to mimic my natural hair and the curl pattern that I have. The hair didn't give me as much shedding as I thought it would. However, I will be using this C-shaped needle to sew on all my hair, and I'm going to let you guys watch the video and see how I do all my sewing. So as I said, the guideline helped me a lot and it made me move faster. So just have a look of the direction that I am sewing the hair into, so I can get that headband effect that will blend nicely with my hair. So after I finished the sewing, I combed out the curl to see what the hair looks like. This is what it looks like. I didn't get as much shedding as I stated before, so it was a really affordable hair with minimal shedding. This is what the hair looks like after I applied water. I just used water and a oil that I have, and this is what it looks like. I really like the curl pattern. It reminds me so much of my natural hair curl pattern, so this was like the perfect bundles that I bought to mimic my hair. As you can see, this is what my hair looks like. This is the braiding pattern that I use to apply my headband wig. My hair looks really close to the curly hair that's on the wig, so I was really satisfied. I was really happy with the outcome as well. So you will see me showing you that the headband came with 3 combs, which I was so grateful for because it helped a lot in terms of to hold the wig onto my head. You'll see me here trying the wig on. Now this is a final look. I used one of my headband that I had to cover the bundle or the weft side of the hair, but this looks so realistic. I love it. I mean, you can't tell me this isn't my real hair. I've gone out and people ask me if it's my real hair, but it's just a headband wig, a simple DIY headband wig. So comment down below, let me know out of 1 to 10 how much would you rate this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.